Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here. Today we are going to assemble our new Uline chairs. This is model H-8277. It is a 24/7 rated chair. That means this chair can be used 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's what it's designed to do. It has heavy-duty components and a higher weight limit. Standard office chairs are designed to be used 40, 50 hours a week, not every day, all the time. I'm a big fan of the mesh back chairs. That's what I select down at work. And I'll tell you, when I first saw them, I didn't think they'd be comfortable, but they really are comfortable. This chair, the model H-8277, retails at Uline for $300. If you buy one, if you buy two or more, they're $285. Plus, when you spend money at Uline, because they're an office and business supply place, they give you these free gifts when you spend money. So I spent over $500. I had a choice of a free gift, and we'll show you what the free gift I selected is at the end of the video. They give away the free gifts because, you know, people who do purchasing, who work in office, they want all kind of free stuff, and that's how you lure somebody in purchasing to buy your products. It's kind of neat. So on this chair, the seat and back are fully adjustable. You can do the height, you can do the angle, you can do the seat depth, you know, in and out of the seat. There's that lumbar support thing in the back, which I never use, not even in the car. It's got padded armrests, heavy-duty steel base, because it is a 24/7 rated chair, an extra large 4-inch thick molded foam seat with breathable mesh back. Now, I'm not a fan of the molded foam seats. I prefer the ones that are just smooth. But, hey, no problem. The chair's affordable and it does everything I want it to do. Now, really, as you're seeing here, it takes longer to take this chair out of the box than it does to assemble it. Unlike many other chairs I've built, including my gaming chairs, which you got a bunch of screws and stuff on this only has 3 screws or bolts. And they're the 3 on the back that you put the mesh back of the chair together with. Everything else just pops together, even the armrests. Because on my gaming chairs, we don't need to talk about, you know, what brand they are, but my gaming chairs, the bolts on the armrests keep coming loose, and I need to tighten them up every once in a while. I like the fact that in this chair, the armrest is one piece. Bam, pop it in there, there it is. You've got a bunch of adjustments. You can spread the armrests out. These armrests go up and down. That's very important for an ergonomically correct chair. But the spreading it out, that's actually an option I don't even need. And one quick note, when you're putting it back on the chair, you got those 3 little bolts that have to go in there. You got to line them up. I mean, that really takes, I don't know, 2 minutes. Sometimes they line up perfectly because you got to angle it. You got 3 of them, and just don't strip them out when you're doing it. But they give you 1 extra bolt in case you do. right, so check it out. That didn't take long at all. I talked on and on and on and on and on, and really putting this chair together, like I said, less than 5 minutes. Put the wheels on, set the piston down on the base, turn it upside down, slide the armrests in, and then put the back on it. Set the whole chair on top of the piston. Bam! You're done. So, have you been looking for a new chair for your home office, for your desk, for at work? These are really good chairs. And if you haven't tried a mesh back chair, give it a try because you'll be surprised at their comfort. And also, if you haven't looked for office chairs in a long time, you will be surprised at how much a chair costs. So at, the $300 or $285 for this chair, this is very reasonable. We were looking at chairs comparable to this, and you're looking at $400, $500, $600, $478. I think were what we paid for the last chairs before this. So yeah, and they're comfortable because you have a bunch of adjustments. All right, so leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.